Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Brown color, brown color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first letter A. A for apple, A for ant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. It's now letter C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now letter E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now letter G. G for God. The alphabets of G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now letter I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids, now letter K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids, now letter M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now letter O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color. red color, kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, the alphabets of P. Kids write a Q. Q for queen, the alphabets of Q, and use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice, the alphabets of R. Kids write S. S for sun, the alphabets of S, and use brown color, brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger, the alphabets of T. Kids write a U. U for umbrella, the alphabets of U, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, the alphabets of V. Kids write a W. W for wolf, the alphabets of W, and use green color, green color. X. X for X-ray, and again use green color, green color. Kids write a Y. Y for yak, the alphabets of Y, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, the alphabets of Z. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.